Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sneha Shetty, Clinical Director, Chief Fertility Specialist, Laparoscopic Surgeon and Gynecologist from Vriksh Fertility here at HSR Layout, Bengaluru. Now, how to make IVF successful in first attempt and some tips to achieve this. Natural conception tips by a fertility specialist. For many couples, the journey to parenthood begins with the desire to conceive naturally. While it is very easy for some, it may be difficult for many. Fortunately, there are some strategies which can be applied in order to increase your chances to conceive naturally. Today, let's discuss about this. Number one is understanding your normal menstrual cycle. Now, the best time to conceive is to have intercourse during your fertile window, which is around or during your ovulation time. Now, ovulation usually happens 14 days before your next period. So, if you have regular menstrual cycles, you can definitely pinpoint your ovulation days and try to plan intercourse around or during the time of ovulation. Now, there are other ovulation monitoring kits like ovulation prediction kits, checking your basal body temperature, getting to understand your cervical mucus changes. All these also do help understand your timing for ovulation and thereby trying to get pregnant around those times. Number two, maintaining a healthy weight. Being overweight or underweight both can cause disruption in your hormones, thereby leading to decrease in your fertility. So aim for a healthy BMI, which is a body mass index between 18.5 to 24.9 for a higher chances to conceive naturally. Number 3, stay physically active. Regular moderate exercising is very important in maintaining your health for both the male and the female partners in order to improve your quality of the egg and also the quality of the sperm, thereby increasing your chances of conceiving naturally. It also helps reduce your stress to a great extent. However, excessive exercising or intense exercises can cause more harm than good. Number 4, reduce your stress. Incorporate certain relaxation techniques in your routine like yoga, meditation, etc., and which helps reduce your stress, which will not cause hampering in your hormonal imbalance and also will affect your chances of conceiving naturally. Number 5, lifestyle changes like avoiding smoking and limiting your alcohol intake. These two, along with decrease in your intake of caffeine or limiting it to a great extent, is also very helpful in improving your chances to conceive naturally. So, diet plan for natural conception. Fertility boosting foods. This focuses mainly on balanced diet, thereby increasing our chances of having a balanced nutrition, which will help improve the quality of the egg and the sperm and increasing your chances of conceiving. So, the focus should be to have a nutrient rich food diet which supports your reproductive health. So, I would suggest a small diet plan. For example, for breakfast, you can have whole grains like oats, top it with some fruits, and also can include some lean proteins like boiled egg or Greek yogurt, and also have a handful of nuts. Lunch, you can opt for a typical Indian meal, but do not forget to have a side of salads, which includes lot of green leafy vegetables and your tomatoes, and also maybe some grilled chicken or some other source of protein if you're a vegetarian or having a vegan diet. Evening snacks. Enjoy a piece of fruit like apple or banana and also have a small quantity of nuts or seeds like pumpkin seed, sunflower seeds, etc. Dinner include lean protein, fish, lentils, and also have it along with certain steamed vegetables like some source of carbohydrates like maybe potatoes or brown rice or white rice, etc. It's very important to understand that along with all this, you have to make sure that you are well hydrated throughout the day, and also you take enough supplementation. For women, especially folic acid, and for men also certain vitamin supplementation if you are vitamin deficient like vitamin B12 deficient or vitamin D deficient. Now remember, if you are less than 35 years of age and you're trying to conceive naturally by using all these methods and still you're not able to conceive, or if you're above 35 years of age and you've been trying to conceive naturally for about 6 months, and you're still not able to conceive, it is advisable to meet a fertility specialist to rule out some major abnormalities which are present and to detect and treat them accordingly.